Let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, the run of warm and humid days continues for the coast.
Yes, Jeremy, the cloud may have cleared from Sydney today, although the humidity remained high above 70% through the afternoon. And Sydney's average humidity in January was around 10 percentage points above normal. And while moisture makes it feel warmer, the air temperature just on its own was also well above the average. Now, Australia's mean January temperature was 1.54 degrees above the baseline 1960 to 1990 average and around 2 degrees above pre-industrial levels. That made it the third warmest January on record, with data back to 1910. The January record in 2019, well, that's nearly 3 above that baseline average, which will be hard to beat. Now, for most of the state, it's been a warm start to February. After a low of 20, Sydney climbed to 29 today. That was 3 above the average. A sea breeze formed along the coast in the afternoon, but didn't reach the west until later. That allowed Bankstown and Penrith to reach 32. Clearer skies over the west brought a cooler night. Griffith 11 was 7 below the average, but the east was as much as 5 above average. Maximums today were very warm for February, including 30 at Moss Vale, 6 above normal. On the satellite then, well, low cloud cleared from the New South Wales coastline today, but to the north, thick cloud associated with ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily sits around the Gulf. And from tomorrow, that tropical low will commence a track back towards the south. Now, modelling indicates it will even reach New South Wales early next week. Around the country, looking dry across the south and the west, North Queensland easily will be the wettest part of the country. Now, for our state tomorrow, temperatures will be building, but by Saturday, we're climbing up to 40 degrees across the west, and by Sunday, a scorching hot north to northwesterly engulfing most of the state. And that heat is likely to be followed by rain as ex-cyclone Kirrily crosses the border on Monday and brings a drenching from the northwest towards the east. Now, I'll have more details on how much rain will fall tomorrow. For the northeast tomorrow then, sunny and warm for the north, mostly sunny for the south and becoming hot away from the coast. Tamworth and Scone 39. For the southeast, a mostly sunny day for the ranges, partly cloudy for the coast and the chance of showers across the Illawarra. To the west then, a sunny day throughout, low 30s for the south, mid 30s across the central west and up to 40 degrees in the north. On the water tomorrow, gales for the far south coast and seas up to 3 metres, calmer conditions for the north. Now for Sydney then, warm and humid tonight, then the chance of early fog tomorrow, mainly in the west, partly cloudy and the chance of a shower, but otherwise dry. 28 for the city and up to 32 in the west. The sun will rise at 6:16. And ahead, well, there's a slight chance of a shower again on Saturday. It's more likely inland, 27 to 30. There's our hot northerly on Sunday, 32 for the city, 40 in the west. Staying hot Monday with a shower or two developing, chance of a storm, and then cooler weather from Tuesday, Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. Here's Sarah Ferguson with 7:30.